make between 4,000 to 20,000 naira daily on cheaper cash. For those that are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and tap on the bell icon. Let's get right into it. Cheaper Cash is one of the best fintech companies whose aim is to facilitate a faster and easier financial service, and they are available in UK, US and other African countries as well. So for those that are interested in ways by which they can send or receive payments between African countries as well as UK and US, Cheaper Cash is the solution to all that financial barriers. They recently launched in the US and they are in partnership with Burna Boy as well, which is a very good sign that this company is interested in making financial services easier for the people. There are a lot of reviews that they have here where people are already using the platform with ease. They are reliable, fast, and their transaction is good. They have over 5 million people that are currently using it in Africa countries as well as in US and UK. They are available in Play Store and App Store. Their services include payment of cash, where you can send and receive cash across Africa and in US and UK. They can also pay for airtimes and bills on Cheaper Cash, where you get a 2% cashback for every airtime top up across Africa. Also, you can pay for your school fees and pocket money across the border. Cheaper Cash is very reliable and fast. Cheaper Cash also serves as a broker, which means you can invest in stocks and fractional shares with as little as 1 USD, which is 460 naira 36 kobo. You can own top US stocks like Amazon, Nike, Tesla, McDonald's, and more by investing with Cheaper Cash. Cheaper Cash also has a virtual card which gives you 5% cash back on all qualifying purchases. The virtual card can be used for online shopping and every online purchase. It is also denominated in Naira and US dollar or both as well. How can you earn on Cheaper Cash? You earn 4,000 Naira on Cheaper Cash whenever you invite your friends or families that are in US and they send at least $30 to any African country. So for those that have aunts, uncles, friends and families that are in the US, and you just persuade any one of them to use Cheaper Cash via making payments to Africa or to you, your families, whenever your friends in US make payments to any African platform, if they register with your link, then you earn 4,000 Naira for free. So if you have 5 aunts or uncles and you invite 5 of them and they send money, then that's 20,000 Naira free. So here are a couple of reviews that users have given Cheaper Cash and reasons why they use Cheaper Cash. So the first guy: just got my order approved on AliExpress with my virtual USD card. I was able to order products on AliExpress, Apple Music and other payment services. This is what I used to pay for my YouTube and other subscription. I use Cheaper Cash for my online transaction. Cheaper Cash card has been my go-to since all the palaver. I use Cheaper Cash to pay fees online too. Cheaper Cash saved me the stress of all the SO daughter of Zion God is to see after I renewed our YouTube music subscription. I just used this Cheaper Cash card yesterday for my Apple Music and iCloud. So there are a lot of reviews here. People even use Cheaper Cash for their Facebook ad payments. So Cheaper Cash is very, very reliable. I just successfully paid for iCloud storage with a cheaper virtual USD card, 200 gig storage for $2. Maybe I'll do the same for Apple Music. So there are a lot of reviews that people are even using it for AliExpress to place their orders and then ship things in. You can use it for Apple payments as well. You can use it to pay anything online, even shopping as well. You can even use it for pay for Apple Music. There are a lot of things that the Cheaper Cash card is very, very useful for, and people have been using this for a long. So I would suggest anyone to try Cheaper Cash out. use their services and also earn while using it by referring people. Make between 4,000 naira to 20,000 naira. You can even make more when you refer your friends and families as well. Have a nice day, guys.